Hi, to use one-handed mode on your Honor Magic 7 Lite, you just need to find and open your settings. And from here, choose Accessibility Features. And after that, you should see one-handed mode. So first thing first, we need to enable it by tapping on that switcher so it will light up blue. And now, if you got gesture navigation, so on the bottom of the display you can see line or nothing, then you will need to slide your finger across the bottom of the screen and hold to trigger one-handed mode. And if you got buttons navigation, like in my case, so those free key navigation shortcut, then you would need to slide your finger across the bottom of the screen, but on the buttons. Also here you can find tutorial how to use it. And now let's try this out. I'm gonna swipe across the buttons like that. And now we can actually use one-handed mode. So you can just use your phone like you would normally do. You can open apps, you can use all of your buttons. You can even trigger a keyboard. And this would be more comfortable to use with one hand. We can also tap settings icon and exit this mode. Or to exit mode, you can simply tap any free space on the screen. So any blank area like that. And if you wanna disable one-handed mode, then go back in accessibility features, find it here and tap on the switcher so it will become gray. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.